Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are keeping really well with your family, taking care of each other, maintaining social distancing, avoiding going out unless and until it's not an emergency. So of course, I am here bringing a lot of wonderful activities to be done with your young children. And as we are all hearing a beautiful quotation that school buildings are closed, but not the schools, not the education, and not the teachers are stopping themselves to teach your what. They are very well with you, with your kids through online classes. So today I am here bringing you few more interesting activities, how to introduce numbers to the young children when they are shifting their to formal school after their preschooling, which activities you need to do, how you need to do it, मैम ये स्टार्ट कैसे होती है, क्या क्या चीजें करनी चाहिए. At times child is able to write but they are not able to segregate. At times they are able to segregate but they are not able to count the quantity. So now in this video I am going to tell you the correct pattern of teaching your child any number, and that pattern you can understand and follow it on your own. You can do more and more activities on your own. So let's start with our activity of the day. Okay, so now I have even mentioned earlier also that what is the correct pattern to teach your child. So सबसे पहला पैटर्न हम आएंगे, अगर हम कोई भी नंबर इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो the first point of teaching any number to your young ones when they are in class nursery or in pre-nursery should be the quantity. अब आप सोचेंगे ये क्वांटिटी क्या है. सिंपल भाषा में क्वांटिटी मतलब काउंटिंग. हम अगर कुछ भी स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने बच्चे को पढ़ाना मैथ्स में, स्पेशली नंबर्स में, तो हमें सबसे पहले कॉन्सेप्ट्स के इन डेप्थ पर जाना है. राइटिंग अ नंबर इज द लास्ट स्टेज, but if the concept is not clear, if the child is not able to count how many fingers, how many things, how many toys, so that is where the concept is lacking. So here in this first step should be the quantity. Like, see, मैंने अपनी पहली वीडियो में भी आपको ये दिखाया था. These are beads. मैंने इन बीड्स ये गेम लिया है बीज वाला. इन केस आपके पास बीड्स नहीं है, आप आटे की बॉल्स ले सकते हैं, उसके अंदर होल कर सकते हैं. नॉर्मल पेंसिल लेकर यू कैन टेल योर चाइल्ड टू पुट 2 balls in it. इन केस यू डोंट हैव बीड्स नहीं है, आप कनेक्टर्स यूज कर सकते हो, आप ब्लॉक्स यूज कर सकते हो. यू ऑल माइट बी हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लॉक्स इन योर हाउस, राइट? सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट? Okay, first, these are the beads with different colors. So first you can ask your child, okay, get me 2 white beads. अब बच्चा कई बार कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. वो क्या करते हैं, हम आपको लग रहा होगा ये तो बहुत आसान है, 2 बीड्स ही तो निकाले, बट द प्रॉब्लम लाइज इज विद व्हाट चिल्ड्रन डू. दे एट टाइम्स कैन काउंट 1 2. दे डोंट हैव अ कंट्रोल ऑन देयर हैंड. They don't know how to take slowly 1 2. Even they can count 2 beads at one time. So first you as a parent be an example. How will you tell me, okay, mama is doing it or papa is doing it? See, 1 2. Wow, good. Now okay, 2 white beads. 1 2. देखो जैसे ये मेरे साथ हुआ, this similar thing can happen with your child as well. So this is how slowly and gradually they'll understand how to count 2 things among a group of the things. For example, I have this color box. Okay, color box है. Okay, get me 2 yellow colors. 1 2. या फिर okay, now tell me how many shapes we have. Finger निकालेंगे. 1 2 1 2. How many shapes we have? 1 2. Now show me your 2 fingers. 1 2. Stop. This is all counting. Again you can use your body parts all the time you are teaching numbers. How many eyes do we have? Count. 1 2. How many hands we have? 1 2. How many ears we have? 1 2. Similarly, you can do it with as many things you can do. आप कोई भी टॉयज लेकर आ सकते हो. See, I have got these 2 toys और हम इस टॉयज को ऐसे रखते हैं. And now count how many toys you have. 1, 2. हम लोग जितना slowly और easily कर पाते हैं, initially children are not able to count that slowly because they don't have the control, the rhythm. As slowly as you are going to count with them, वैसे ही वो सीखेंगे. Coming next on the second point. Okay, coming to the second point, segregation. अगर हम अपने बच्चे को बोलें, okay, there is a basket of tomatoes, can you get me 2 tomatoes? That is called segregation. How you are going to teach your child segregation? Thousands of ways. You all are having n number of utensils. अपने बच्चे को बोलो, बेटा go and get me 2 bowls, go and get me 2 spoons, because there are a lot of things, and slowly वो उसमें से count करेगा. If I said okay, get me 2 green colors, now he first have to find out the green colors. 1, 2. अब मैंने जितना इजीली किया, हो सकता है बच्चे ना कर पाए, क्योंकि हो सकता है 1 के बाद उनकी आईज के सामने जब वो सेकंड ग्रीन कलर आए, they might can miss number 1. They can again say 1 or they can directly say 2 because their mind is rushing very fast, and that is how we are going to control their running skills. You always can give thousands of things to your color, segregating like this. और बहुत सारे आप बर्तन अपने घर में रख सकते हो एक साथ, और अपने बच्चे को बोल सकते हो इसमें से 2 spoons या 2 bowls या 2 plates, to give me 2 onions, okay, get me 2 tomatoes, like this is called segregation. हम उसके अंदर से बच्चा जो नंबर आप बोल रहे हो उसको segregate कर पा रहा है या नहीं कर पा रहा. This is the concept number 2. Okay, now coming to the last and the most important point for all the parents, my child has to write. Of course they need to write, but if you will make them write in a better way, they will be able to write it more easily. So पेंसिल में लिखवाना, कलर्स पे लिखवाना है, या हमें किस पे लिखवाना है. देखो, one thing I really want to share with you is always go for the need of your child. आप जब पेरेंट हो, आपको अपने बच्चे की नीड समझनी है. हम लोग कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड हो जाते हैं कि ट्राइपॉड ग्रिप में नहीं पकड़ रहा, कलर ऐसे नहीं पकड़ रहा, या पेंसिल को होल्ड नहीं कर पा रहा. देन फिर बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आती हैं कि मैम ऐसे नहीं कर पा रहा है. रीज़न बीइंग, कई बार हम बच्चे को ये पेन देते हैं, कई बार वो घर में फ्री हैंड कुछ भी बनाता है इस पेन से, कभी वो कुछ और चीज़ यूज़ करता है. सो आर वी एज अ पेरेंट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ व्हाट थिंग्स शुड बी गिवन टू अ चाइल्ड? सो वेयर योर रोल स्टार्ट. यू नीड टू बी very alert about reading your child body language. How is he holding with it? Is it tripod or is it not? See, it's okay if the child is not able to write properly with a tripod. You can always develop. There are thousands of ways. You can even visit my previous uploaded videos. I have even shared how can we improve the tripod as well. So coming, how can we start make our children write numbers? Directly shifting to write with the colors or pencils or crayons is a very difficult thing for a child. See, I have taken this plate. सबके घर में होती है, पाउडर भी सबके पास होता है. So everyone take one finger out. So you need to tell your child, okay, take your one finger out and trace number 2. Okay, so this is the practice you need to give it to your child. इस प्रैक्टिस के लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है? Okay, to write number 2, your child should be very thorough with 3 patterns. Patterns matlab, you can again go and visit my video. I have shared with you all how to teach pattern to your child. Dekho, here I am going to tell you what are patterns. Standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, forward curve, backward curve, upward, downward curve, and upward curve. These are the patterns. These all patterns every child is doing in their preschool. And even if the child have not done, you can always first go with the freehand thing. You can do with the powder tracing. See, how you can do is powder liya. If you are going to make your child write number 2, make backward curve first. Let them trace the backward curve. They're using their sensory body part. So उनको उनके mind में backward curve की figure complete होगी. Then ask them to make slanting line. Then ask them to make sleeping line. Practice as much as you feel your child needs it. Again, the point here comes is how your child needs the practice. So after this, always give your child a limited space to write. Following by this, सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? Let them do the freehand as many times as you can. You can even trace it on any sheet. Take different colors and tell your child to do the rainbow writing. Orange color से rainbow writing करनी है, blue से करनी है. Make them understand this is rainbow tracing where there is no foundations, no limitations. Then if you feel your child is not writing the neat thing, your second sheet should be of tracing. अब आपको लगेगा हम ट्रेसिंग कैसे बनाएं? जस्ट मेक दीज डॉट्स. ऐसे बॉक्स बनाने हैं और डॉट्स बनाने हैं. देन यू नीड टू आस्क योर चाइल्ड, ओके, बैकवर्ड कर्व, slanting line, sleeping line, backward curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Speaking every time while writing is the major part of making a correct formation. Backward curve, slanting line, sleeping line. Now from this dot, here we only have given the dot. This is the last point of making your child write. डॉट देने का मतलब ये होता है कि जब भी हम अपने बच्चे को कुछ सिखा रहे हैं, दे शुड बी वेल अवेयर ऑफ द स्टार्टिंग एंड द फिनिशिंग पॉइंट. एज वी वर डूइंग इन नंबर 1, दिस शुड बी आवर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, कम डाउन, top to bottom and touch the baseline. This is number 1. Okay. Now coming to number 2, this is the dot, backward curve, slanting line, touch the baseline, and a sleeping line. This should be the right pattern of teaching your child. Okay. I am again going to repeat with you what all points I have taught to you. First is quantity. Next is segregation, and the last point comes is writing. Please never go for writing. हम तो अपने बच्चे को नोटबुक में लिखाने बैठ गए number 2 and then we are very upset कि यार लिख नहीं पा रहा है. So you have to choose the right way of teaching. Nothing is impossible or difficult if we are teaching in the right way. And if you feel that your child is lacking somewhere, it's not the child, it's your efforts and understanding for your child. Always try to understand your child in better ways, and I would be loving to see your positive feedback. Did it help you or not, or anything, any review you want to share, or any point you want to see more videos on. I would love to take your reviews. Signing off, take care, bye bye.